When we talk about inclusion, we often think about people. However, as we're naturistic, we cannot have inclusion with disjointed bits of nature. We are a part of nature. We should be at one with nature. When I went on that retreat, all the people I met living in this area, they were different to the people living in the big cities. They appeared different. They looked peaceful. They all looked healthy. They were all showing up with positive energy, relaxed, looking stress-free. I felt like I was in a different world. So inclusion also entails including nature. It helps.